Okay, look what's landed from Innovv. Thank you, Innovv. Full disclosure, they sent it to me. It's the RC6. It's the blind spot and camera system that they've generated. So those of you that are not lucky enough to have blind spot detection on their bike, this is an option. Now, it's really well made, and I've seen them working. It works absolutely fantastically. You've got a camera there and a camera on this box, and that's the recorder. And these are the two blind spot LED indicators that go up on your handlebars. Well, up on your mirrors. So effectively, when somebody comes near you in your blind spot, they will basically light up. So you're probably thinking, why is he showing me this and not reviewing it? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it away. So the first person to message me, and you have to be able to come to our premises in Henley on Thames to have this fitted. The first person to message me telling me how many mountain passes we did in Switzerland, and I mean message me, I mean put a comment up and I will reply, will have this free of charge fitted to their bike. I want them to test it and see how they get on with it and review it. It's just another way of doing it, I think. It'll work quite well. I'm sure Innovv won't mind me giving it away, and I'm sure it will work really well. Let's see how many interested parties there are. Click away. So zip back to my last Swiss video. How many mountain passes do we do? That's all I want to know. It's a number, and it's yours. But I'm not posting out. You've got to come to me for fitting, and we've got to review it once you've tested it. So make sure you're local to me, or can get here, Henley on Thames. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.